Hey, it's James with the Latte Fun Fishing. Getting ready to take my nephew and dad out. So let's get the boat in the water and see what kind of fish we can get on today. We're going to go after some trout and redfish. Alright, so here's what's going on. We're out here watching the Blue Angels, and Clayton caught his first bull red. Look at this thing. We're going to get him measured up, and we'll let you know how big he is.
Big boy. Could you keep this and eat it? You could if he wasn't 34 inches. Oh my. I'd only keep him to 29. 27. 29 is it? Yeah. So he's 34 inches. I was the red angel. Alright, so that red was 34 inches. That's a big boy. Clayton's first red. Yeah. And that's the Blue Angels.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me about your last fishing trip with your family. And as always, I've been Captain James, hoping you have a latte fun fishing.